Well, good news, everyone. Today, Duke is hiking to Tinker Falls, and I'm coming along with him. So, the hike starts, there's a little spur trail from our campsite to the actual trail. And here we are getting into the actual trail. And Duke is doing well following the trail. We have to cross over a road eventually to get to the other part of the trail. But we're still going on the trail. It's about a 5 to 6 mile one-way trip. I actually underestimated it, so we were really tired on our way back. This is after the other side of the road. We're coming into some areas, and some of the areas can get kind of muddy, but overall the trail was actually pretty well maintained. Trees were often cut that were falling over the trail, and Duke, as you can see, is loving the hike right now. We come to our first little creek where we have to go down and then up. So this hike was a lot of ups and downs, which made the trail even worse. As you can see, Duke's going right back up again. Added a little extra to our hike. There was a few little creeks. Here's another one. Of course, we had to go down again. And Duke's just looking around. He's going to grab a drink. Nice, clean, fresh, cold water there. We actually will get to go up this little section here, and at the end of the little section there's the rest area for the hikers that hike this trail. It's part of the Finger Lakes Trail, so there's a lot of people that will hike it a lot. So here's a little shelter. We met some people at the shelter and a little doggy, so we had a little talk. And again, down another creek. And Duke stops again for some more water. So he's well hydrated in this one, even though I did bring water with us. He stopped almost everywhere to take a little drink, cool his little paws off. There's a few more creeks that I really didn't put in there because I was trying to keep it to 6 minutes long. And actually, some of the creeks were probably just as nice as the falls itself. Here's the last one before we have to cross over another road. Duke wants to go down further, but the log's in his way, so he can't. He still tries. He wants to get that water, that special water. We cross the bridge, and then after the bridge we cross the road. Duke has got into something, messed the camera up. I'll have to have a talk with him about that. Here we are coming up to the second road, which is right up this hill. It's just a crossover. We don't really walk on the roads, just crossing over it. Right past it there was a nice little big mud pile, and of course Duke wanted to go get it all muddy. Took a little drink before I could notice what he was doing, but he got his paws and everything else all muddy. Guess it must feel good on him. And well, goes over a little tree there, and still got that spider web, I think, on it, but he cleans it off in a minute. And there it goes. It's all nice and clean. So Duke's looking back. I'm taking a rest right now. Told him to hold on, and I sit down and I actually fall because the branch I sat on broke. And he's coming to my rescue, making sure I'm okay. He's a good little hiking buddy. And then I turned the camera off then after that because the hike was a little bit longer than what I expected, so I wanted to save some for the actual falls, and sadly I mistimed it, really didn't get it right. But here we are going down to the back side of the falls. We had to go down the stairs. The falls itself is 50 feet in this one section, but the back side actually looked nicer, and it really didn't look that good because there wasn't a lot of rain. You can see the creek of Tinker Creek is kind of shallow, so but we continue on, and here's the entrance going down to the falls, but right there is about where the camera cut off, so sadly I'll put some pictures in, but as always, Duke thanks you for watching, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Alright, take care.